One of our last steps before sticking the turkey in the oven is to brush some melted butter on it. Even though we've already used some oil and salt to flavor it, the melted butter is going to give it a different flavor, and some of it will also soak into the stuffing. So because we already have the oven on, rather than using the stove to melt the butter, we're just going to stick a heat-proof, oven-proof pan into the oven to melt the butter without using any more energy. So I'm just going to stick that in there for a moment. Make sure that you have a pot holder for bringing it out. And while that's melting, I'm going to talk about how we're going to brush the turkey with the butter. Now's the time to use our silicone brush and our baster. A silicone brush is going to work much better than a pastry brush for putting the butter on the turkey. Now, first of all, the silicone bristles, it's going to soak up butter a lot better, and it also comes out better. You can also stick a silicone baster in the dishwasher in order to get it super clean. With our melted butter, we can now brush the turkey with it and get all of the good butter flavoring in the turkey. You're only going to use about 1 tablespoon of butter this time, but don't worry, you'll be using more for basting later.